Hey everyone, welcome back to Ask Robert AI, where we turn your ideas into pro-level videos using the power of artificial intelligence. Got a great video idea but no camera, no editing skills, and no time? Don't worry, with just one line of text, an AI tool called VideoGen can generate a full video, complete with script, voice, visuals, and music. Let me show you how it works, step by step. Signing up for VideoGen is super easy, and it takes less than a minute. Here's how to do it using your Google account. Go to the official VideoGen website, open your browser, and head to https://videogen.io. Click Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll see a Sign Up button. Click it. Choose Continue with Google. On the Sign Up screen, select Continue with Google. A pop-up will appear with your Google account options. Pick your Google account. Choose the Google account you want to use, or log in with your credentials if prompted. Grant permissions. Click Allow to grant VideoGen access to your account. Don't worry, it only uses your email and basic profile info for login.
Within seconds, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now, click Create a Video to start your project. Before generating the content, adjust your video settings. In the Select Media section, scroll down and choose Clip Pace. Options are fast, medium,
slow, or very fast. I recommend selecting medium for natural flow. Then choose aspect ratio depending on your platform. 16 for TikTok, Shorts, Reels 1.1 for Facebook or Instagram posts. 9 for YouTube and Twitter. For YouTube, click 16.9, then press Continue. Now we're ready to create a video using just a simple idea. In the prompt input box, write your video idea. Example, the house that cried for help at night. Choose your language. I'll go with English. Select your video length. Very short. 75 words. Short, 150 words. Medium, 300 words. Long, 600 words. Very long, 1,000 words. Or enter a custom word count. I'll select medium on 300 words. Click the red generate icon. VideoGen will now create a full script, complete with narration, structure, and suggested scenes. Next, select an AI voice. You'll see options like Lulu, Winston, and more.
Welcome to the future of video.
Welcome to the future of video.
Click the name to preview each voice. Choose the one that matches your tone, soft, strong, friendly, or dramatic. Click Generate Voiceover, and just like that, your voiceover is ready. Let's add some background music. Click the music note icon in the bottom left. Browse genres. Beats, happy, suspense, calm, sad, and more. Preview, and select the perfect track or upload. Your own music file. Click Upload Audio, or use copyright-free music to stay safe. The AI will blend your voice and music automatically. VideoGen also uses AI-generated visuals based on your script. From animations to stock footage, it picks the right imagery for each sentence. You can even translate your video into different languages, add subtitles, zoom, and pan to enhance viewer engagement. All of these editing features are built in and super easy to use. Once your video is ready, click Share in the top right corner. Choose Export Video. Select your resolution, 720p, 1080p, or 4K. Within seconds, your video will be rendered. You'll receive a download link via email or download directly to your device. Now let's listen to a great video that was just created simply.
In a quiet village tucked away between wind-swept hills and deep, ancient woods, there stood a house with faded shingles and windows like watchful eyes. For decades, it had simply existed, unnoticed, just another part of the country lane. But as the sun dipped behind the horizon and shadows grew long, a chill would settle over the narrow dirt path leading to its door. Locals whispered of its mournful cries, carried on the wind like a distant song calling out for help. Those who dared to linger outside its gate at night spoke of a strange, low moan seeping from the cracks of its walls. It wasn't the creak of old timber, nor the shrill whistle of wind through broken glass. This was different, a pleading sound, desperate and chilling, as though the house itself were alive with sorrow. Dogs would whimper and drag their owners away, while children pressed their ears to their pillows, hoping the quiet would drown out the haunting sound. Long ago, a family lived beneath it.
And that wraps up today's tutorial on using an AI video text generator with VideoGen. If this video helped you or sparked an idea, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, share it with someone who needs this tool. And of course, subscribe to Ask Robert AI, where AI meets creativity every single week. Don't forget to check the description for your 30% discount code, limited time only. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay creative, and let AI do the heavy lifting for you.